Welcome to Alpha DTF Print. In today's guide, we'll be exploring how to order our innovative DTF and UV DTF gang sheets. Both DTF and UV DTF gang sheet options empower you to unleash your creativity. You can design a custom template using external applications like Canva, Corel, Illustrator, or Photoshop. The flexibility here is unparalleled. Your template can be 22 inches in width, with a height that suits your project's needs. Once you've crafted your gang sheet masterpiece, the next step is to upload your files to our website. To ensure a smooth process, we ask that you upload each file individually. This way, we can accurately match each file to the correct size and quantity specifications you need. Simply add your first completed gang sheet to your cart, and if you have more sheets, continue adding them one by one. This methodical approach helps us maintain clarity and precision in your order, guaranteeing that each sheet is produced to your exact specifications. So, let's get started. Design your gang sheets, upload them with ease, and let us take care of the rest. At Alpha DTF Print, we're committed to bringing your unique visions to life with quality and precision. If you need assistance on how to create gang sheets using Illustrator, Photoshop, Corel, or Canva, don't worry, we've got you covered. Below this video, you'll find our comprehensive guides tailored for each software. These guides are designed to help you navigate the design process seamlessly, ensuring you can create perfect gang sheets with confidence. Remember, at Alpha DTF Print, we're not just about providing products. We're here to support your creative journey every step of the way.